Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you about Social Studies, Class 3, Unit number 4, Lesson 13, and it's on page number 46. Now open your books, page number 46. Here you have given Unit number 4, Culture, Lesson number 13, Calendars. Calendars. Calendars tell us the year, the date of the month, and the day of the week. In Pakistan, we use two calendars. One is the Gregorian calendar and the other is the Islamic calendar. Basically, calendars हमें बताते हैं year, the date of the month and the day of the week. पाकिस्तान में दो किस्म के कैलेंडर्स यूज़ हो रहे हैं. One is the Gregorian calendar and the other is the Islamic calendar. What is mean by Gregorian calendar and Islamic calendar? Gregorian calendar. The Gregorian calendar is the Christian calendar and it is used in most part of the world. It starts from the time when Jesus Christ, Hazrat Isa, was born. In the Gregorian calendar, the months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Almost 12 months are included. Islamic calendar. The Islamic calendar is used in other Muslim countries beside Pakistan. The Islamic calendar is also known as the Hijri calendar. पाकिस्तान के अलावा और भी बहुत सारी ऐसी मुस्लिम कंट्रीज़ हैं जहाँ पे इस्लामिक कैलेंडर यूज़ होता है. द इस्लामिक कैलेंडर इज आल्सो नॉन एज द हिजरी कैलेंडर. इस्लामिक कैलेंडर को हिजरी कैलेंडर भी कहा जाता है. इन द इस्लामिक कैलेंडर द मंथ्स आर मुहर्रम, सफ़र, रबीउल अव्वल, रबीउल सानी, जमादिउल अव्वल, जमादिउल सानी, रजब, शाबान, Ramazan, Shawwal, Zikat, and the last one is Zilhaj. 12 months are included. Okay, now move on the next slide. Calendars were made by ancient people too. They did this by observing the movements of the star and planet and keeping record of the season. कैलेंडर को जो इन्वेंट किया था वो एंशियंट पीपल थे और उन्होंने कैलेंडर को ऑब्जर्व किया था मूवमेंट ऑफ द स्टार एंड प्लैनेट्स और स्टार की मूवमेंट से. सम कंट्रीज टुडे लाइक चाइना एंड इंडिया यूज देयर ऑन कैलेंडर्स फॉर रिलीजियस इवेंट्स along with the Gregorian calendar for day-to-day business. Okay, here you can look an ancient Aztec stone calendar. Now here we have given some question on page number 48. Question number 1 is, why are calendars important? The answer of this question is, calendars are important because it tells us the year, the date of the month, and the day of the week. Question number 2 is, which event marked the start of the Islamic calendar? Hijra. Why? Because this was the year in which the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam made his journey from Mecca to Medina. This journey is called the Hijra. And the question number 3 is, what do the letters BCE and C stand for BCE stand for before Common Era and CE stand for Common Era. Now move on the next slide. Here you have given question number 4 and question number 4 is how many weeks are there in a month? आपसे यहाँ पे पूछ रहे हैं कि एक महीने में कितने वीक्स होते हैं. As you know very well, there are about 4 weeks in a month. The question number 5 is what are the differences between lunar and solar calendars? Lunar calendar. Lunar calendar is a calendar based on the different phases of the moon. Solar calendar. Solar calendar is a calendar based on the movement of the earth around the sun. Remember, lunar calendar based on the different phases of the moon, but solar calendar based on the movement of the earth around the sun. Okay, now we have completed this lesson. The exercise of this lesson, inshallah, we will done in the next video. Hope so you have enjoyed this lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.